Guys, this is another Double Duns Garage, but an unusual video. Just thought I'd show you kind of what I do as a personal collector. My brother will probably show you eventually what he does as a personal collector over here. So, I'll just give you a little hint. Pretty obvious hint right there. I collect pocket watches. I have approximately, gotta have an actually kind of let's just start. 1, 2, 3 battery operated. Those are basically given to me from an uncle and my dad and stuff like that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mechanical, fully functional pocket watches. 3 of them have their chains on them. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 non-functionals that all get restored eventually. So I got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Got 18 watches in entirety. Starting here, I don't know what this is. I can't read it. Westlock, Prescott, Westlock, Westlock. Wait a minute here. I'm getting myself confused because I'm having to do it through the camera. So I apologize, guys. Oh, okay. Unknown. Sorry. Westlock, Elgin, Endura Tuffy. Westlock, Prescott. Westlock. Another Westlock. This is a Prescott something or Autolock. I'm sorry, Autolock. And unknown. A really classy looking one right here. Give you a really good look at these watches. Maybe you can read them. I don't know. These are fully functional to keep in time. Some of them are probably behind a little bit, I'm thinking. But that's alright. I know a couple of them are accurate. And then here, these are 3 battery operated late model watches. And I only keep them in collection because they're given to me by family. And I think this is an auto lock. And something else. I think it's a Prescott. That one I couldn't really read. Starts with a V. I think there's an auto lock too. And another Westlock. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you my watches. I just literally got this one right here today. Oops, that one. And that's fully functional. Works perfect. These two, that right there, and right there, I know work 100%. Keep accurate time. I don't know about these. Running them right now. I think the Elgin Tuffy is accurate too, and the little women's watch is accurate too. My intentions are to restore these guys over here. My first one that I want to get restored again is this guy right here. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, guys, that's just one little thing that I wanted to show you. I'm going to put these in a display case pretty soon too. So, this is what's going to come up next as a video. Just to let you know, we're going to do a video of that. That's my brother's can collection, so we're going to do a video of that. Alright, guys, for Double Duns Garage, this is Michael and there's Dwight.
Yeah.
Right. See you later. Okay, bye.